Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from CryptoMania to bank account in 2025. If you're using CryptoMania and wondering how to withdraw your earnings, the short and honest answer is you can't. As of 2025, CryptoMania is a cryptocurrency trading simulator. It's designed purely for educational and entertainment purposes, which means all the money that you see inside the app is virtual. You may see profits grow or balances increased after simulated, but none of it represents the real world cash that you can transfer or withdraw. Now, it's important to understand that CryptoMania clearly states in its terms and conditions that no actual money is involved. It's essentially a learning tool that mimics the look and feel of a real trading platform, helping users become familiar with crypto market trends without any financial risk or reward. If you've come across YouTube videos, websites, or Telegram groups promising hacks, withdrawal tricks, or secret ways to cash out from CryptoMania, be extremely cautious. These are not legitimate and often lead to scams or phishing attempts. CryptoMania does not support any real deposits or withdrawals, so trying to use third-party services could put your personal data at risk. In conclusion, while CryptoMania is a fun way to practice trading strategies or explore crypto investing without spending real money, it's not meant to be a source of income. If you're looking to actually trade crypto and withdraw profits, you will need to use a regulated exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken instead. But for now, just enjoy CryptoMania as a learning experience. So, that was the answer to your question that you cannot withdraw money from CryptoMania to bank account in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.